Hello, I am going to be unboxing some Squishies today. This is a Squish Delish that I got at Walmart, I think in a blind bag for like $5. So my niece Abby collects Squishies and she's actually collected them for over a year now. And when I visited her a couple weeks ago, I saw her collection and it just made me want to go buy a couple. I'm sure you've seen on YouTube that Squishies is the latest fad, and that's not necessarily true. It's not the latest fad. Squishies has been a fad for the last couple years. It is very popular in Japan. Japan has awesome Squishies. It's just more widespread now that in the U.S. because you can find them at Walmart, you can find them at Walgreens, you can find them everywhere. But the original Squishy collectors was getting their Squishies from Japan, and Japan has really awesome Squishies. So. And it's not. And the other thing is, it's not a new fad. I had Squishies when I was a child. They were called stress balls. Yep, Squishies is just a reimagined stress ball. So when I was a kid, you could find stress balls at you get them at your doctor's office, you get them at school, you get them at career days. The best bet, they were free. Yep, stress balls are usually free because they're a promotional item. I actually had a pretty nice collection in college because they were always giving them out in college. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is brain. So it was a college, University of Missouri psychological department was giving these out. So yeah, if you like if you like Squishies, but you don't want to pay $5 for them, look at different businesses and see if they have them promos because they're free. Anyway, today I went to Walmart and bought the brand Smooshy Mushy. My niece said that's a good brand, so I went to Walmart and these were $9.97 each. That's kind of expensive, but the containers is awesome. I ended up buying 3 of them for $9.97 each. So this one is like, I think it's supposed to be a ketchup bottle, and then this one is kind of like a baby bottle, and this one is like an ice cream cup. So I'm going to open all 3 right now, see what we got. And these don't just have Squishies in them. If you look at the label, they have a Squishy, they have a sticker, they have a little bottle. I mean, that's the container that it comes in. A mystery bestie. So anyway, let's see what's in here. Just got little scissors, cut away the plastic. So I'm opening the ice cream cup first. So, yeah, there's all kinds of different brands of Squishies. This one is Smooshy Mushy. My niece said it was a good brand, so I'm going to try it out. All Squishies are definitely not created equal, so you want to make sure you get a good brand. So, let's see. Assuming I can, oh my goodness, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so this hat, as I drop it, sorry. So it looks like it has a little keychain. That's cute, of a ice cream cup. And then that's a Squishy, whatever that is. And this is the Squishy that, oh, that's cute. Oh my god, that is really cute. Oh my god, and it smells. What does this smell? I don't know. It smells cool. Let's see, so this is like a little, I really don't know what it's supposed to be. I have to ask my niece. And it has a little ice cream, whipped cream stuff, toppings on. And it's very squishy. Oh wow. This one's a good one. I really like that one. So yeah, when you buy Squishies, they all have like different, like, I don't even know how to say it, like squishabilities. Like some are slow risers, some are, quick risers. This is a really like slow rising. That's very good. That's the desirable. Like if you look at my stress ball that I got for free, it's not. It's squish. It's, you squish it, but it's just foam. It doesn't really change its shape. And so I think kids like these Squishies because they're slow rising and it takes a couple of seconds to go back to the original shape. So, and it had a little, the little surprise bestie is like a little orange. That's cute. Alright. So it also said sticker. Alright. So at the bottom of the cup, there's a sticker in there. I'm just gonna leave that in there so I don't bend it. And then I guess this is a checklist. Oh yeah, series 1. Alright, put everything back in the little cup. Alright. Alright, so the next one I'm going to open is this, what did I say? A baby bottle? I think it's a baby bottle. Alright. Darn it. Oh my god, I didn't do that right. Now I'm gonna have to cut it again, and I'm trying not to cut the container. Try not to damage the container. Sorry. Don't do this at home, kids. Use my teeth. That's old school. Alright, there we go. Alright, so, oh, it's a milkshake. It says milkshake on it. That's cute. Alright, so this little just screws off. So it's got the little keychain. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. So sorry. It's got the little keychain. Those are cute. I'm gonna have to buy more of these. I'm really liking these. And then this is, it's a deer. It's like a little deer with something on top. But that's adorable. Oh my god, I really like that one. Alright, so let's see what his buddy is. And his buddy is a chocolate bar. And I guess they have a little hole on top so you could put it on a keychain. It squishes too. It's a good squishy. Okay. And then it's got a checklist and a sticker on the bottom. So remember, these were $9.97 each at Walmart, but you get 3 things and a sticker with it and a nice container. So I actually think that's a really good deal. So put that back a little bit, and it screws. So I'd buy more of these. That is a good deal. All right, last one. This is the one that I called a ketchup bottle, but we'll see what they say it is. Alright. They are saying, oh, I was right. Tomato ketchup. Very cute. Alright, so this one unscrews too. So they're totally reusable containers. And another keychain. So mini version of the container. The little surprise. And then what is in here? It is a, oh my god, it's a squirrel with a spaghetti and meatball on his head. That's hilarious. And he, oh, that's his tail. I thought it was a backpack, but that's his tail. So this is a good squishy too. Very slow rising. I like that. And then there's the checklist and the sticker at the bottom. Alright, so let's see what his mystery buddy is. Bestie. Sorry. They're besties. Okay. It's a peanut! Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. It's a little peanut. And again, it has a little hole, like if you wanted to add it to that keychain that comes with it. Maybe that's why there's, it looks like there's 2 cords. Okay, so they're giving you an extra cord for this keychain. That's really cool. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to buy more of these. These are adorable. So these are, what did I say? Let me read the container. Smooshy Mushies. Smooshy Mushies. So yeah, this is a very good brand. If you're looking for some good squishies to buy your kids as a present, I would definitely go with this. You know, even for $9.97, you get a container, you get 2 squishies, you get a keychain and a sticker. I know I'll be buying some for my nieces. It's a good deal. Look at that. Alright. So anyway, thanks for watching my video on squishies. Or like I like to call what, you know, back in the day in the 80s, stress balls. Seriously, squishies are just reimagined stress balls. Which, why not? Most fads are circular. They get repeated. A lot of stuff that we loved in the 80s is now popular now in 2018. So, very cool. Thanks for watching.